Hey guys, this is Pankaj here and today I'm gonna talk about top 5 CPA and CPI network. Before getting started, we should have a basic idea of CPA and CPI marketing. So CPA stands for cost per action. It means whenever a specific task is performed by a user, the publisher is getting paid. The task may be anything, it may be survey, sign up or any other thing. And CPI stands for cost per install. Here the publisher is getting paid whenever a user downloads the specific app. Based on CPA and CPI, here are top 5 networks that really pay some good payout to their publisher. So the fifth network in our list is Edludum. Edludum is a very good CPA network for the people who are having hard time getting approval in any other CPA network. The offers are also quite good. The offer starts from $0.001 to $2.25 depending upon the targeted country and offer type. The payment method of Edludum is PayPal, wire transfer and Payoneer, and the default payment schedule is Net30. The fourth network in our list is ClickDealer. This is also a very good CPA network for beginner to pro. Approval process is neither too hard nor too easy. Anyone having experience in affiliate marketing can easily get approval in this network. ClickDealer has a wide number of payment options. They send payment through wire transfer, ACH, PayPal, Payoneer, Paxum, WebMoney, ePayment, eCheck, Kiwi, Yandex. The default payment schedule of ClickDealer is Net15. The third network in our list is CPA Build. This is the best network for people who want to promote both CPA and CPI offers. You can get $0.032 to $32 per lead depending upon offer type and country. And the best part of this network is that they have Net7 payment schedule for every publisher. You can receive payment through ACH, wire transfer, check, PayPal and Payoneer. The second network in our list is OGAds. This is the best network for CPI offers. If you are planning to promote only CPI offers, then this network will be the right choice for you. They are paying $0.01 to $35 per conversion depending upon the offer type and targeted country. But the approval process of this network is very tough. Right now they are not easily approving new affiliates. You can receive payment through PayPal, Payoneer, ACH, wire transfer and crypto. And the default payment schedule is Net30. The top network in our list is MaxBounty. This is the best CPA network. Not only CPA network but also you can promote CPS and CPL offer in MaxBounty. Default payment schedule of MaxBounty is Net15, but after one payment is received, they will put you on Net7 payment schedule. And they pay through PayPal, Payoneer, Check, Intercash, eCheck, ACH and wire transfer. Approval process of this network is very tough. They also take telephonic interview before approving new affiliates. That's it for today. Well, thanks for watching the video. Bye bye, have a good day.